Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass, low tire pressure warning. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.